Hi friends, it is Friday and you know what that means, Challenge Friday. And this week we are working on our underhand throwing and we are going to use that for our challenge this week. This is Put It in the Basket Challenge. Check it out, this is what we have set up. You will need 5 or 6 objects to mark a place where you're going to put your bucket or laundry basket or box or anything like that. And then you're also going to need something to mark your throwing line. So I'm going to explain how this works. I'm going to give you a round to practice. I'm going to do it, and then I'm going to see if you can beat me. So let's get started with our challenge. Friends, before we get started, I just want to remind you of a few things. The first thing is that we are working on our skill-related fitness components. And this week, we're going to be working on speed and agility because you're going to want to be quick, get your sock ball, and run back to the starting line so that you can throw and see if you can get it at each different level. Now, so that is what we're going to be working on. And before we get to the actual activity, I want to refresh your mind on the proper underhand tossing or underhand throwing. So say it with me when I go through it. I'm going to go through it twice and then I'm going to throw it one time to just demonstrate. And I forgot at the beginning, you are going to need some type of object that you can throw in your home, like a sock ball. And remember, a sock ball is just 2 socks rolled up, or some type of soft object that you can throw. So I'm going to face my target. I'm going to swing, step with my opposite foot. Notice it's in my right hand. I'm stepping with my left foot. I'm going to swing forwards and follow through. I'm going to do it again. Say it with me. Swing, step with your opposite foot, swing forward and follow through. One more time. Swing, step, throw. Just like that, boys and girls. Let's get going into our activity. I'm pumped for it. Let's go. All right, boys and girls. So this is how our Put It in the Basket challenge is going to work. You have all this equipment. You can go ahead and find it right now. If you haven't, make sure, pause your video, go get the equipment, and you can set it up just like I have set up here. Now you're going to use the proper form. You have your throwing line here. Before you throw, you have to do 4 side-to-side ski jumps, and then you can throw. Now, you're going to have 60 seconds to try and make it in the basket at every point. Now, at home, you could be using a paper plate, you could be using a cup, anything to mark out spots. And I have them about a foot or a little bit more away. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 regular ones, and then 1 challenge one. If you get to that challenge one, you are doing fantastic. And we are using our speed and agility for this because you're going to be tossing quickly, and even your coordination, because when you're coordinated, you're able to get it in that bucket. Now, this is going to be tough. So if you don't get it, that's fine. Keep practicing. Now, after I demonstrate, I'm going to give you some practice time, and then I'm going to do it, and then I want to see if you can beat my time. All right. So, behind the line, before you throw, you have to do your ski jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to throw, swing, step, throw. I made it. I move the bucket to the next object, or the next point or level. Run back. Remember, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Swing, step, throw. Made it. I'm going to move the bucket to the next one. Run back as fast as I can. 1, 2, 3, 4. Swing, step, throw. Oh, if you miss it, that's fine. You leave the bucket there. You have to run back and keep going. Swing, step, throw. Perfect. Keep moving it. Just like that. And you're going to keep going until you reach the end. So you have 60 seconds, boys and girls. Go ahead and practice.
3, 2, 1.
Fantastic job on the first round. Great practice. Now, let's see how well I can do. Remember, forward before you get started. 1, 2, 3, 4. Swing, step, throw. Move the basket. Bring back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice. Almost missed it there. I'm on a roll right now. Yes! 5 seconds left. Nice work. See if you can beat 55 seconds. Go.
Three, two, one.
Wow, boys and girls, what an amazing job you just did on the put it in the basket challenges. That was fantastic. I am so impressed and I love the hard work. I can't wait to hear how many seconds you were able to do it in, so please share a video or photo. Nice work, boys and girls. Stay active and we'll see you next week for our Friday challenges.